Hello students, myself Rakshita from Commerce Department. Today I am here to discuss about what after 10th. There are a lot of opportunities are available. You can go for commerce, you can go for science, you can go for the arts. So before starting with the commerce, arts and science, are some of the few tips to how to select a stream. So everyone will be confused. Yes, that's good. If confusion is there, it's okay, no problem. But you should always be having one back end to that. So how to select a stream? So first thing you should see in which area you are good at. For example, you like maths. You know to calculate. It is easy for you. So you can go for the science stream or else you can go for the commerce stream. So you are good in that. And in some spaces where you are not able to put your head there, you cannot understand what the concept is. So you will have a clear idea. This concept I can easily understand, or this subject I can easily understand. So you can go for that. Not for going for those subjects or those courses where you cannot put your head there, or you will be, you know that definitely you are not going to, it is not your cup of tea. So that is the one way you can split it up. So which courses can be joined. Then another thing you can ask with your friends, or you can better, not friends, you can go with your peers, you can speak to your faculty teachers there, or you can speak with any of your friend circles. So you can discuss there what are the courses are there right now, as well as what are the future it is there. So because nowadays now because of pandemic, some of the business which are having a boom and some of them are facing the depression. So here you can make up. Now there is a chance you people are in the right path. After few years, the future will be definitely bright. So let us come back to our main topic. So what after 10? So today I am going to discuss about after 10 if you opt for the commerce subjects. So what are the subjects are there, as well as what is your courses are available right now. So commerce is a vast area. So you can go anywhere. You can be going for the finance, you can go for the banking line, you can go for the insurance. There are a lot of opportunities that are available in the commerce. So we'll see what are the courses that are available. There are famous. The first one is the BCom, Bachelor of Commerce. It is a very popular courses. So BCom, along with the BCom, you can add on for professional courses like CA is there. So BCom, along with BCom, you can go for the CA classes. So next comes the BBM. BBM, it is now called as BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration or Bachelor of Business Management. The next BAF, that is Bachelor of Accounting and Finance. Then BMS, Bachelor of Management Studies. Next BMF, Bachelor of Mass Media. Now, so BC is a course where if you are more of the interested relating to the computer applications, so you can go for this way. So these are the courses available after the 12th, after your commerce graduate, after your commerce, there is the next courses are available. So after these courses, the next things will come into our mind. Being a normal human being will have an idea. After these courses, what are the jobs are available? Whether I get a job or not. Correct? So even after doing all these courses, definitely we will be placing in one or other companies. You will have the good opportunities here. So BCom is a very famous course. So where you can go for the accounting field, you can go for the accounting, you can go for an HR, you can go for the marketing. So many fields are available. Along with that, if you have the professional courses are CA.